For the newbies here, CCW means concealed carry weapon. They're weapons that you can easily hide or carry in a purse, bag, or holster without much hassle. A good CCW pistol should also have intuitive controls and good safety features. As a beginner looking for the best concealed carry pistol, you want a firearm that's reliable, easy to handle, comfortable to hold, and has manageable recoil. Let's show you the top 5 best CCW pistols for beginners. If you're new to firearms or looking for your first concealed carry pistol, this video is for you. We do a lot of fascinating and informative videos like these, and if you'd like a channel that talks about everything you need to know about the guns you carry, then just hit the subscribe button and notification bell to help you stay updated with our latest videos. Coming in at number 5 is the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus. This gun is well known in the concealed carry community for its slim profile and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 20.8 ounces, it's easy to forget you're carrying it. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus represents a significant advancement in the popular M&P Shield series, offering firearm enthusiasts and concealed carry practitioners a reliable, compact option that combines performance with user-friendly features. It has an overall length of 6.1 inches and a height of 4.6 inches. It fits comfortably in most hand sizes while remaining easy to conceal. The standard model comes with a 10-round flush-fit magazine, but it also includes a 13-round extended magazine, which allows you to carry more firepower without compromising on its size. This increase in capacity addresses a common concern among concealed carry users while still maintaining a slim profile. As a beginner, all these make sense because you're getting a pistol that you don't need a lot of getting used to, plus you just forget you're carrying it while danger lurks. If you want one of these, then be ready to shell out as high as $600. Everything about the Springfield Armory Hellcat's design suggests that it was built for concealed carry and self-defense. It's compact, lightweight, and packs a serious punch for its size. With a capacity of 13 plus 1 rounds of 9mm, the Hellcat offers more bang for your buck than many other subcompact pistols on the market. The grip is surprisingly comfortable with texturing that provides a solid hold without getting too abrasive. The Hellcat also features a unique adaptive grip texture which uses a special pattern of tiny pyramids to increase the friction and improve your grip. The Hellcat's adaptive grip texture is something else. Unlike traditional grip textures that are neither too abrasive or slippery, the Hellcat's grip is designed to provide maximum traction when needed most. And let's not forget about the price. At under $500, mind you, the Hellcat is one of the most affordable concealed carry pistols on the market that offers this level of features and performance. If you're a beginner and appreciate ease of use, a comfortable grip, and quality firepower, and you also want a pistol you don't have to break the bank to buy, the Springfield Armory Hellcat is a great option. Another great CCW pistol for you as a beginner is the Beretta APX Carry. As the name implies, it's built to be carried about, so it's designed to be very lightweight and easily concealable. You can easily slot it into a holster and put it in your pocket without anyone noticing you carry something. Also, because of its lightweight design, you won't even remember you're carrying a gun. In fact, the Beretta APX Carry was designed primarily for concealed carry and self-defense. The APX Carry also features a shorter trigger pull, which enhances shooting performance and accuracy. Some users have even noted improvements in trigger feel with the newer models thanks to updates like a stainless steel striker guide that smooths the trigger action. As a beginner, you'll find the APX Carry very reliable, compact, and extremely affordable. Talking about prices, the Beretta APX Carry costs just around $300. That's a good place to start for a beginner. It also comes with the features of some other high-end pistols. For the second best pistol on our list, we have the 6-Hour P365, a subcompact pistol that's been taking the concealed carry world by storm. This 9mm pistol offers an impressive 10+1 round capacity in a slim, easy-to-conceal package with a flat trigger and short reset. The P365 delivers a smooth, consistent trigger pull that's perfect for quick and accurate shooting. The 6-hour P365 is also designed to adapt to your shooting needs and offers a wide range of accessories and upgrades that can turn your compact pistol into a versatile self-defense tool. The P365 can be customized to fit your specific shooting preferences and needs, from red dot sights to extended magazines. And thanks to its durable stainless steel barrel and X-ray sights, the P365 is a pistol that's built to last and survives even in intense and extreme conditions. We know this all sounds like nonsense to you as a beginner, but we can tell you for free that a concealed carry weapon like this one is hard to come by. If you're looking at getting this pistol for yourself, it costs between $500 and $600, and that's a steal for such a pistol. And last but certainly not least, our top pick for beginners is the Taurus G3C. The Taurus G3C is a compact, budget-friendly pistol that's loved by concealed carry enthusiasts. At a price point of just around $200, this 9mm handgun offers impressive features and performance for this price. The G3C is designed for easy handling and concealment with a slim, lightweight polymer frame and a low-profile design that makes it easy to carry and draw quickly. The pistol also comes with a durable, corrosion-resistant finish and a reliable double-action trigger that's as smooth as it is responsive. The G3C is a smart choice for beginners looking for a budget-friendly concealed carry pistol balanced with features and performance. It also happens to be the cheapest pistol on this list in case you haven't noticed. And if you're down for power, even as a beginner, this pistol has a 12-round capacity and enough firepower to defend yourself. Taurus is known for producing reliable, durable firearms at affordable prices, and the G3C is no exception. It's built to last with a rugged construction that's capable of withstanding many years of regular use without any issue. Still haven't found your favorite yet? That's why we've decided to add a bonus pistol on our list, and that is the CZP-10S. Yep, while you may think this is nothing special, it's one of the best concealed carry pistols for beginners, and I'm sure some of you guys, if not all of you, would agree with me. The CZP-10C is like the younger, more agile brother of the popular CZ-10 pistol. It's got all the features you love about the P10 with a more compact design that's perfect for concealed carry. The grip on this pistol is fantastic, with interchangeable back straps that allow you to customize the fit to your hand. The grip texture is also excellent, providing a secure hold without being too abrasive. The trigger is smooth and consistent with a short reset, allowing fast, accurate shooting. The P10S is a winner when it comes to ergonomics. The grip is contoured to fit the hand naturally with a slightly undercut trigger guard that allows for a higher grip and better control. Controls? The controls on this pistol are well placed and easy to use, perfect for beginners with a magazine release that can be adjusted for left or right-handed shooters. The slide stop is also easy to reach, even with small hands. And so, that concludes our list of the top 5 best CCW pistols for beginners. If you're a beginner, you should check out one of these pistols and try them out for yourselves. Then, let us know what you think about them. That being said, leave a comment about which pistol you'll be trying out, or if you already have one of these or have used one, drop your thoughts on them too. If you have yet to subscribe, this is your cue to do that now. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to share it with at least one friend as well as a family member. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again later.